Hello and welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. In this guide video, I'm going to teach you how you can create Facebook story highlights. If you don't know what Facebook story highlights is, it is a story highlights which is seen in your profile in this section. Now to turn it on, you need to turn on a few settings. So firstly, go to your home screen, then click on the three lines. Then if you scroll down, click on settings and privacy, then settings. Now the settings panel of Facebook will open. From here, you need to scroll down and under audience and visibility, click on stories. Now firstly, you need to go to story archives. Then you'll need to make sure that this save to archives is turned on. So make sure that is turned on. Then go back. Then head to your profile. Now create a story. Post it. Now to create a story highlight, click on the three dots besides edit profile. And then click on archives. The archives tab will open. Then click on story archives. After that, again click on the three dots. Then click on the create featured collection. Now you can add posts to your story highlights. You can either choose from your stories or you can select from your camera roll. For now, I'm going to choose from my stories. After choosing it, you can also choose several of the options. After choosing them, click on next. Add a title to your story highlights. Then, if you again want to add more, you can simply do that by clicking on add more. After you've finished, click save. Now, if you visit your profile again, you can see the story highlight has been added to your profile. So those were the few easy steps to add story highlights to your profile on Facebook. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we will soon be back with more videos such like this. Thank you for watching.